Given that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear.
Hey guys, and thanks for tuning in to Savvy TV. So today I am reviewing a new wig that I got in from Mello Hair Store. I ordered it from AliExpress from the Mello Hair Store. It is a 20-inch Brazilian curl. It's like a jerry curl. I love it. It's my favorite curl. It came with, as you can see, a pair of lashes and an elastic band. So the wig was actually packaged very nicely, as you can see. The lace was protected. There's no holes. It's a really nice wig. The hair is super soft. The cap is I think it was a medium brown I ordered. But I absolutely love this hair. It's so soft. There hasn't been any shedding. And it's a 13 by 6 lace. So, of course, that's 13 inches in width and 16 inches in length for the lace. So I can part it anywhere I like. And here I'm just showing you where I began to cut the lace. I actually cut it in the same pattern as this hair was this wig was pre-plucked. So I just went around the hairline and I try to mimic my hairline as you see me going up and down. Then my hairline is actually straighter on one side than it is the other side. So I try to always mimic my hairline. And so you'll see me go into like a cowlick and come back around. So after it's done, it'll almost have a look like a scallopy look to it, but it'll match my hairline perfectly. And here it is, placed back on my head. Here I'm going to measure out where I need to cut it for my ears to have it fit properly around my ears. Okay, I've just cut this side off, and we're going to move ahead and go to the other side. I'm going to clip it back, hold it down, kind of taut just so that it will lay exactly where I need it to lay around my ear. I'm going to pin it back and then I'm going to cut it. Okay, guys, here I'm showing you that I crisscrossed the straps in the back because I'm not attaching that elastic band right now. Just attaching this wig just so that I can run out and run some errands for the day. I'm loving this hair. And that, just crisscrossing those bands in the back, secures the wig, gives it such much more security. It lays it flat to the head. This wig is definitely big head friendly. My head is really small. My face is big, but my head is really only like 21 and a half inches. So it is, or centimeters. So it is, I have a small head. So this wig, the cap on it is really big. So if you have a lot of hair, this wig would be great for you. You wouldn't have any problems with it. It wouldn't be too tight at all. I definitely have to add that elastic band to make it fit a little more snug on my head. Right now, I'm just putting a little got to be glued around my hairline. I'm going to spray the got to be glue free spray as well and set the wig in place. I'm going to apply a few layers of the glue. I think about 2 layers of this gel and a couple of layers of the spray as well. And this wig will stay down for a couple of days if I want, at least 3 days. When I go to bed at night, I just tie the hairline down and it'll just keep it nice and secure. So I will leave the link below to this wig. I absolutely love it. As you can see, I'm not really put. Yeah, I know I don't really overdo my parts. I don't like that. I like wigs. So, um, and I like my wigs to last a long, long time. I try to never overdo a part, especially for a wig that I know I'm going to be wearing a long time, and I will be wearing this wig a very long time. I haven't even wet it yet. I'm just showing you guys this quick install. Um, just doing this quick little review so I can get it in for them. And yeah, so like I said, I can't remember the name of the store, but it's an alley. I got it off AliExpress. But I will link the name of the store and the price of the wig and everything probably right here in the video, and I also have it in the description box. Okay, so this will be my last video on this camera because for Mother's Day, I got a new Canon camera from my sister with a beautiful car. Support saying, she got me that to support my YouTube channel because I've been wanting that camera forever, you guys. I'm one of those people that I'll buy everything for everyone else and I'll spend all kinds of money on everyone else without even thinking about it. But for myself, I'm just kind of like a little cheap. Don't get me wrong. No, I don't even spend a lot of money on makeup and stuff because I get a lot of makeup and stuff for free. So, um, but yeah, so that's it for this video. I absolutely love this hair. You guys will see it again. I'm going to be wearing this one probably until I get a new wig. I need to revamp some of my old wigs, but I absolutely love this one. You guys will see it again. I'm going to pluck the hairline a little bit more when I get some new tweezers. I don't want to mess it up, so I'm not going to continue to pluck with the tweezers that I have because this lace on this wig is really pretty. It's a transparent lace. It's very, very nice. And I don't want to mess it up with dull tweezers. So I will tweeze it a little bit more. This hair is so soft, so lightweight. As you can see, as I'm pulling through it. It's shedding just a little bit, only because it's curly hair for one thing, and because I cut around my ears, cut the lace. So that's just hair coming out from where I cut around the lace and where I plucked a little bit. But other than that, this hair is not shedding. I love it. It's so lightweight. I can't wait to wet it. I don't have my spray bottle up here. It's downstairs. Paige has it downstairs. So I am going to wet it down, and I will show you guys. It'll probably be a picture on Instagram. So check out my IG. That's savvy_Maggie_T.V. Check me out on IG, and you will see a picture of this hair wet. It's actually pouring down outside, you guys. I planned on going outside today, right? I've been planning all week. Oh, I'm going to go out on Thursday. But nothing. I never looked at the weather for Thursday and Friday. Because if I did, I would have ran my errands yesterday. But I didn't. And I put all my errands off until today. So, oh well, I got to get out here in this rain. So, I may not wet this hair down because it's raining outside. And, you know, it's allergy season. Plus the, you know, the other stuff we're dealing with. I don't want to, you know, compromise my immune system anyway. I don't want to weaken it anyway. So I think I'll wait until I get back to wet it down. This wig is definitely big hair friendly. It came with elastic bands, like I showed you, an elastic band. So I will be attaching that elastic band. I just didn't have my needle and thread here in my vanity, so I didn't feel like getting up, going to look for it, even though I do know where it is. I just didn't want to stop the video to do that. So it's only attached with Got2b. When I take this off, I'll, you know, clean the Got2b off with some alcohol, and then I will attach the band. But like I showed you guys, I crisscross the hooks in the back just to keep it really tightly secured to my head. So whatever I was doing, you know, if I had some activities or whatever, I would make sure it were a little more secure. But I'm not doing anything but running a few errands, so it'll be just fine. It's secure in the back so it won't ride up, because as you guys can see, my hair is super short. So you have to have your wig nice and secure or it will ride. It'll move, and you'll be constantly trying to pull your wig back down if you don't have any hair for it to attach to. So anyway, I love this wig because it's not a wiggy look. It looks like me. You know what I'm saying? I love a good natural hairline, a good lace that will melt right into your hairline and lay right on your face. So I like this a lot. I can do a lot more customization to this wig when I get a good pair of tweezers, like I said. And I will tweeze it a little bit more. I didn't do a bald cap because, you guys, I really don't wear wig caps under my wigs. I never really do. So I don't really do bald caps on myself. I do them on my clients all the time, but I don't really find it necessary for myself because I wear a lot of different wigs. Now, if I were going to wear the same wig for like a month straight and I was gluing it on, then definitely I would do a bald cap. But I don't do that. I may wear this wig today and another wig tomorrow, so I'm not doing all that. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. Leave me a comment down below. If you want to know where to get this hair, I'm going to leave a comment. I'm going to put it in my description box. I love this hair. And like I said, go to my IG and you guys will see a picture of it wet. I'm not going to wet it until a little bit later. But look at this hair. I wish you guys, the lighting is a little off in here. Like I said, this is going to be my last video with this camera. And I've got lights and everything I'm going to be able to use now. So I don't even know if I'm going to post this video, as a matter of fact. Because I could do so much better with my new stuff, huh?
Given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be